this is the snapshot of what is going on in terms of your entire blueprint. So this person has a lot of purples, and of course, purples is our very high and high impact pathways. It's not the same thing as saying high or very high risk. It just means that impactful pathway that if we influence it, we can lead to a lot of benefits or prevention of conditions that could be unfavorable to us. So we want to focus on the most prominent pathways to begin with, so that we can go over other pathways and help you understand how can you leverage the genetics in the other pathways to benefit you greatest. And again, this person clearly has a lot of purples, and not only, this is just part of the page. I'm just going to scroll down below. There's more purples to come, but this gives us a snapshot. These are the cellular pathways, these are the different systems, these are the energy, which means we can even give you information based on your genetics, what exercise, type of exercise would suit you best. What happens if you gain weight? Are you one of those people who have a very hard time maintaining weight or losing weight? All of these things can come from our report. And of course, having said that, we get this information from your genetics does not mean that whatever we see here is going to be expressed. This is where the epigenetics come in. So sometimes our habits can overpower our genes.